Monero, or XMR. Monero is an open-source cryptocurrency created in April of 2014 that focuses on privacy and decentralization. Monero aims to improve on existing cryptocurrency design by obscuring the sender, the recipient, and the amount of every transaction made, as well as making the mining process more equal. Unlike many cryptocurrencies that are derivatives of Bitcoin, Monero is based on the CryptoNight proof-of-work hash algorithm and uses different ways to make the currency as anonymous as possible. For example, ring signatures combine many different senders' addresses together when the transactions are written into the ledger, which makes it incredibly difficult to trace the origin of the transaction. Monero also uses stealth addresses, which means that for every new transaction, users generate a new address. Also, Monero uses ring confidential transactions, which hide the amounts in each transaction. All of these aspects contribute to Monero's outstanding anonymity. Monero's mining is designed to be ASIC-proof, meaning that the wealthier miners can't purchase expensive and extremely efficient ASICs to mine more Monero. This makes mining Monero more accessible, equal to every participant, and makes the mining more decentralized. Interesting facts. Monero's focus on privacy has attracted many people who are interested in evading the law. Its egalitarian mining process is also used by hackers who embed mining code into websites and apps. Monero uses ring signatures, stealth addresses, and ring confidential transactions to provide its users with maximum privacy.